Knock, knock, knock. Okay, so 2025 is coming to an end. You are a social media creator and you still don't know how to use Gemini to generate mind-blowing images of yourself. Like this. Don't stress. Let me show you how to do it in less than a minute. If you haven't followed this account, follow now. It's time to become the next CEO. Let's go. Step 1, open Gemini. Step 2, click on image generation or prompt box. And the next thing you do, take out your phone like this and take a selfie of yourself. And then upload it on add image. This is where the magic happens. Then just type in the prompt that you want. For example, this one. And boom, it's ready. And you know the best part? It leaves you amazed. So as 2025 comes to an end, you don't have any excuse whatsoever. If you can type it, you can design it. Try it today and welcome to the CEO's team. Shalom.